3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix voice chat and microphone issues in Marvel's Rivals. By default, voice chat is usually turned off, so the first step is to enable it. Go to Settings, navigate to the Audio tab, and scroll down to locate the voice chat option. Make sure it's toggled on with the check mark next to it. Adjust the voice chat volume default is 80, and the microphone volume is needed. If you're on PC, you might have a push-to-talk option, which you can switch to always on for easier use. For PlayStation users, press the PlayStation button, open the quick menu, and go to the microphone section. Select your input device like a wireless controller or headset and ensure it's unmuted. Adjust the mic volume here as well. For output, confirm your audio is set to your headset or TV speakers and that the volume is high enough. On PlayStation, also check that mute game voice chat is disabled, otherwise you won't hear anyone. Once everything is configured, return to the game, start speaking, and watch for the voice chat icon in the top left corner to ensure it's active. If this guide helped you, leave a thumbs up and subscribe.